Hey there, and welcome. If you're getting ready for a mesotherapy treatment, or even just thinking about it, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to walk through everything you need to do beforehand to make sure your experience is smooth, safe, and gets you the results you're looking for.
We've got a super simple roadmap for you. First, we'll get the big picture. Then we'll start a countdown from 2 weeks out. After that, we'll zero in on the final 48 hours, cover what to do on the big day, and wrap up with some really crucial health stuff you need to know. So, let's dive right in.
You know, the best way to think about this is like a partnership. Your specialist has all the expertise, for sure, but you bring the preparation. And when you follow these steps, you're not just a patient. You're playing a huge part in getting those incredible results. And this, right here, really says it all. Your prep work isn't just a friendly suggestion. It's a core part of the treatment itself. This is how we set the stage for a procedure that's not only effective, but also super safe.
All right, let's zoom out and start with the long game. Believe it or not, what you do in the couple of weeks leading up to your appointment really lays the foundation for everything else.
So, the first couple of steps are pretty easy to remember. 2 weeks out, it's all about letting your skin chill out and rest up. Then, when we hit that 1 week mark, we're going to make one small but really important change. Let's break that down a little more. For at least a week or two beforehand, you'll want to steer clear of anything that could make your skin sensitive. That means no basking in the sun or hitting the tanning beds. You'll also want to press pause on intense treatments like chemical peels or lasers. We want your skin to be calm, cool, and collected, because trying to treat irritated skin can just cause problems.
Okay, now fast forward to 1 week before your appointment. This is when you'll want to take a break from any blood-thinning meds or supplements. We're talking about common stuff like aspirin, ibuprofen, and even high doses of vitamin E. This one simple step makes a huge difference in cutting down on bruising and swelling. And of course, always have a quick chat with your doctor before you stop any medication they've prescribed.
And just like that, we're in the final countdown. These last 48 hours are so important for getting your body perfectly prepped for the treatment.
So the clock is officially ticking at 48 hours out. There's one key thing to focus on starting right about now.
If you're a smoker, it's a really good idea to avoid it for the next 24 to 48 hours. And here's why. It's actually pretty interesting. Nicotine tightens up your blood vessels. This slows down your circulation, and good circulation is absolutely key for your body's healing power and for the treatment to really work its magic.
And now we're at the 24-hour mark. Just 1 day to go. There's one more thing you'll want to avoid drinking.
You're going to want to skip the alcohol for at least 24 hours before your treatment. See, alcohol dehydrates you, and it can also thin your blood a bit, which just bumps up the chances of swelling and bruising. So staying away from it helps make sure your body is in prime condition.
The day is finally here. Your job today is super simple. Just show up feeling calm, prepared, and excited. Here's exactly how to nail it.
It all comes down to 3 easy things. Hydrate like crazy, skip that morning coffee, and come in with a totally clean face. These little steps help create the absolute perfect canvas for your treatment.
So on one hand, yes, absolutely drink tons of water. Hydrated skin is happy, healthy skin. But on the other hand, try to avoid too much caffeine. So why's that? It's not just about avoiding the jitters. A lot like alcohol, caffeine can dehydrate your skin, and that's the last thing we want.
And when we say a clean face, we mean a completely clean face. No makeup, no lotions or moisturizers, not even sunscreen right before you walk in the door. This just gives your specialist a perfectly clear and prepped surface to work on, making the treatment safer and way more effective.
All right, let's shift gears for a second to talk about something that is incredibly important. Your safety is and always will be priority number 1. And that means we need to have some open and honest communication.
First things first, and this one is so important. Are you pregnant or breastfeeding?
As a general rule, mesotherapy isn't recommended for anyone who is pregnant or currently breastfeeding. It is absolutely essential that you let your specialist know if this is you. Your health and your baby's health come first, no question. Next up, let's think about your skin. Do you have any active conditions going on right now, or any allergies that you know of? It is so important to tell your specialist about anything like eczema, rosacea, or even a little open cut in the area we'll be treating. Why? Because when they have the full picture, they can customize the treatment just for you, or maybe reschedule if needed, to make sure you have a safe and really positive experience.
So just remember every single step we've talked about.
From 2 weeks out all the way to the moment you arrive, it all adds up. Your preparation truly is the key that unlocks a safe treatment and those amazing results you're after.
And there you have it. You have the complete playbook for getting ready for your mesotherapy treatment. You've done your homework, you know exactly what to do. So the only question left is, are you ready to go achieve your goals?